I swear. Him? We're talking about this guy? This guy, right? This is the Drew that we're talking about? Oh my, so he debuted in Hive? Bro, you good looking as hell. Yeah, he handsome motherfucker. Yeah, handsome motherfucker. Oh shit. Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. So he's in the group. Oh, I see. Okay. See, I don't know anything about what's happening. What else did you say? Ale or Alejandro is 21 from Peru. Gabi is 20 from Miami. Ooh, shout out Miami 305. What's popping? This is my first introduction to them. Santos, BRAVOS, 0% debut visualizer. Let's go. Do I have captions? We don't have captions. All right, we're just gonna go with the vibes. You're going with the vibes. What the hell is this? Oh, there's Drew. Sorry. And everybody else. That kid look young. See. You and me? Repeat. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Gabi is the blonde guy. What's up, Drew? Sorry, that's the only person I really know. I need to know everybody. Kowe. ¿Dónde la que está? Esta noche, ¿dónde la que está? Bro, oh, he's handsome. What the hell? Everybody handsome in this. Some of these are young as hell, by the way. Oh. Wait, who's the youngest one again? Kenneth, right? That was. Hey. Hey, I'm glad that he's in a group too. ¿Qué está? ¿Dónde le que está? Oh, my man, trouble. Esta noche. I don't know if they're saying esta. They're killing it. Got my body moving. Okay. No, I didn't mean to pick that. God dang, I keep on doing that. Shit. All right, let me know who it. Let me see. Somebody was explaining like the people. Alejandro is 21 from Peru. Gabi's 20 from Miami, but Puerto Rican. Can we break down who's who? Can we break down who is who, chat? All right, we're gonna go to a frame where all of them are in frame. I kind of know who's who already a little bit. Hold up. They are not in all frame? What the fuck? Or they all have individual shots so much? Hold up, good looking man. Hold up. Okay, we got all of them. They're all in one shot at the end. Go to K-pop profile. Okay. We got Drew. We know that. And Kenneth is right here, right? There's only 5 of them, right? Oh, K-pop profiles. That's true. K-pop profiles. Santos Bravo. Is it Santos Bravos? Yeah, Santos Bravos. Members. Okay. Oh. I'm just gonna go K-pop profiles. What the fuck? They don't. Do they got it? Do they got it? What the fuck? They don't have a K-pop profiles? Why y'all? They have a wiki. That wiki don't help my ass. Okay, well. Kawe? Is that how you say it? Kawe? So Kawe. Oh, it tells you right here. My God. We got Kawe. Ooh, okay. He's Brazilian from Rio de Janeiro. Okay. We got Drew, who I'm very acquainted. I'm not acquainted by Drew, but I know of him in past like music videos. It seems like, especially the Nyan one. We got Kenneth, who is, I think, he's the youngest member. Adorable. My God, he's already almost basically taller than me. What the fuck? Everybody just taller than me. 2009. Oh my God. We got Gabby. So Gabby is from Miami. So he's a Miami, Florida boy. He do look like he's from Miami, Florida. He probably go to the same private school I did. Puerto Rican and American. Okay, bet. All right. And then we got Alejandro. Oh, Alejandro's from Peru. He's Peruvian. Okay. And those are the 5, right? Your bias is Alejandro? Oh, I see. Okay. So this is, okay, based off Kawe, Kenneth, Drew, Gabby, Alejandro. Correct? Correct me if I'm wrong. Kawe, Drew, Kenneth, Gabby, Alejandro? Dang, boy. Dang. Boy, good with it. All right, bet. That was fun.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.